Hey, welcome back to the Sanders Kitchen. I'm Mike. Today, after a little bit of a sabbatical, we're going to be doing a great recipe. I think you'll love this because it goes with so many dishes, main courses. What we're going to do is just smother down some fresh spinach. Now, I took the time to pop some of the stems off. I may not have gotten all of them, but that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to tell you right now what's in the recipe. So here we go. What we have is 8 cups of pressed down spinach, okay? And I put this in this bowl so I can kind of get an idea. I mean, I pressed it down tight. So, you know, it's not that critical. You can grab another couple of hands of spinach if you want. It's really not that big of a deal. But all we're gonna have in it is some bacon grease. And I mean, if you don't have one of these, I would recommend you get one if you do use bacon. We're gonna have some yellow onion, about 4 toes of garlic, some butter. Now, I am gonna splash in a little bit of this. This is olive oil from Fratelli Coletti. Honestly, guys, this is like the best olive oil. It may not be the best on the face of the earth, but it is right up there with the best, okay? So where do you get it locally? Well, you can't. You have to order it online. Fratelli Coletti. Great stuff. And now, what do I have? I have some white wine. I just picked up some oak leaf Chardonnay. So here we go. I have some butter, and I'm not going to chop the spinach. So here we go. Let's go ahead and get on with the recipe because it's really that simple. All right, let's get that fire on high. Get that skillet up there going good. And let me move a couple of things out of the way because the first thing I want to do, I've already chopped up my 4 toes of garlic. I'm going to put in about a tablespoon of butter and about a tablespoon of bacon fat. Good stuff. Move that off to the side. I'm just going to cut my onion up in rings. It's not necessary to dice them. But onion gives the spinach a great flavor. And you don't really need a lot of onion. I had like 2 little small ones. So, in fact, they were getting kind of old, and that's why they're so small. I had to pull a bunch of stuff off the outside. But as you can see, the bacon and the butter are melting down nicely. Talk about some good flavors right here. Here we go. You know what? I do want to throw in just a wee bit of olive oil too. That's probably about a tablespoon. That's all I need. Now what are we looking for here? We're looking for caramelization of the onion. So we're going to let this cook and let the onions cook until we see them nice and brown. And I'm not frying onions, so I am going to turn the heat down a little bit. Remember, a medium heat on this. It's going to make it take a little bit longer, but you don't want to fry your onions. You just want to brown them up. So this may take a few minutes, but you know what? I got all the time I need, man, right here. Look. And so, you know, before I go, I just want to tell you, you know, I really want to thank everyone for subscribing. We have over 4,000 subscribers now. You know, I really, really appreciate you guys. I really do. And you're probably saying, well, what took you so long to get back? Well, you know, we're school photographers. And not only that, but I had knee replacement surgery, and it's hard to stand up for a long period of time. But I'm doing good. And then, of course, you know, we're busy with school and, you know, with digital school pictures, you know, it's a lot of computer work. So it just takes a lot of our time. So we kind of took a little time off, and here we're back into it. We got a couple of great recipes. This is going to go along with another dish, and I can't wait for you to see that either. It's really, really good. So give me about another 4 or 5 minutes, and we'll let this caramelize, and then we'll get back and show you how it looks and what the next step is, okay? Check out the caramelization of those onions. Yeah, they're looking good. The fire is down pretty low too. You know, what we're gonna do now is take our spinach and start adding it in. Now at this point, I'm gonna turn the fire up to about medium. And look, if you have a big old long stem, just pop it off. I've tried to get as many of those babies off of there because some of these stems are pretty long, but anyway. So what you do is you add in your spinach a little bit at a time. And that's when you take your tongs, and what you do is you just flip it like this, okay? Whew, look at that bad boy, huh? I'm telling you, I added a little bit more spinach, and I thought I got all, oh man. That's okay. You know, it's not going to hurt anything. Okay, so watch what I'm doing here. So as your spinach starts to cook and it settles down, then you come over here and you just add another handful. Okay. What'll help too is just to add a little salt. I'm not going to over salt this. And just a pinch of pepper. And then again, just keep on folding it like this, rolling it around. Look at that. Wow. I know. It's up to you if you want to pull the stems off. So we're just going to go ahead and continue doing this exactly how I'm doing it, just spinning the spinach around. Grab up as much of the onion and garlic as you can from the bottom and just keep folding it over, and it'll just mix up nicely. And when you get it to settle down a little bit, then just reach over and add in a little bit more. And before you get to the end, you want to help it have a little extra flavor. So you just want to go ahead and add in some wine. Maybe, what is that, a 1/4 cup? That's about all you need. A little white wine, some Chardonnay. And boy, let me tell you, when that steam comes up, it's wonderful. So I'll just continue doing this until I can get it all in. Look at that. Look how it settled down. It's great. Let me go ahead and put the rest in. Just keep folding it over. Oh, it's looking good, you guys. Looking good. All right, let's see. Now, you know, you can turn your fire up a little bit because now you have a lot of spinach in there. And oh man, that's looking good. It smells wonderful. The spinach is cooking down nicely. See that? That's how it's supposed to look. So look at how much spinach we have now. Enough for maybe 3 or 4 servings. Takes a lot of spinach to do this. But when you cook it down fresh and you have some bacon fat and butter and some good olive oil and a little salt and pepper, you don't need anything else. That's all you need. It's just going to be so good, guys. So good. All right. So I think we're done. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the fire off, and I'm gonna put it in a little bowl, and I'm gonna taste it and let you see just how good it really is. Be back in a minute. Oh, I'm gonna transfer all of this into a nice little bowl. I'm telling you, it's amazing how a lot of spinach just cooks down to almost nothing. That's it right there, guys. Okay, and now let me get a little bit here on my plate. It's steaming hot. Yeah. But you know, I love my food really hot. It smells wonderful. So let me give it a taste for you. But oh my goodness, is this good. You know, if I had this as a side dish at a restaurant, I would be very happy. 2 thumbs up on that. Excellent. Really good for you. The bacon, you don't have to have the actual bacon, just a little bacon grease. Oh my God, it just makes it taste so good. It's wonderful. So anyway, this is a great side dish for steak, chicken, fish. You can add to it. You could put mushrooms in it if you like, but it's very simple, just like it is. And anyway, I want to thank you guys for coming back to the Sautéed Kitchen, watching me cook. It's been a lot of fun. We have more recipes coming. If you like this one, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, go ahead and do it. We have more recipes coming your way. You can even hit the notification bell. And there is one more thing. If you would like to support our channel, there's a little heart down there, and all you have to do is click on that and just send us $1 or whatever you feel like you'd like to send us. You can do that, and we would greatly appreciate it. Anyway, have a great week. Make you some sauteed spinach. You'll love it. And all I can say is have a great week, and God bless you. We really appreciate you guys tuning in. Love you.